Selalu di Hong Kong kalau gitu ya.
Thank you so much, sir, for performing the ritual. We are very much delighted to have you today with us. The guard is sitting alongside Commodore. He is represented with our Samis Gamosa and Chapi. Thank you so much, sir. Moment, sir. And now I would like to request Moment kindly give his welcome remark. Please, sir. Performing our traditional dance for our honorable minister, sir. Henry of AAC. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Next, we have with us Dr. Tejas Y. He is the minister. I would also like to visit Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Sri Sharan Kumar. And the stage, Sri Sanjay, sir, with Salis Gamsa as well as the Jami. Thank you so much, sir.
And that's more important. So, innovation and modernization is more than 200 crore to pay. Within 2 years. So, it's a very good potential because we have a good way to connect the landscape from Rajasthan to Maharashtra to Sicily. And it's almost 80 kilometers and it's the Asia's longest route. So, that facility we have. We have natural resources, we have cheap labor here, and people are very much genuine here to have this industry. So, if you revive this industry, the common people, the unemployment program will be solved within a year, and that will be great help for this network we have in Assam. Honorable Minister, once again, we expect not just welcome you in this framework region. Your presence here will bring another dimension to the development of this region. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. God bless you.
It's not working out. Yeah, it will be completed by the first week of November. Then one more thing, sir. There is an allegation against the CCI that they don't prioritize the local leaders, local candidates.
Usually, appointment time, they will conduct an interview. Performance will also, they will take the decision. For that, actually, we have to give local people some skilled education. If we conduct the skilled education with proper technician, then they will get the job. For that, actually, skilled education is must actually required. For that, we will work it out.
That's why I'm telling you. But former HOD or former design has there is so many skilled candidates in Bokazam or entire Kaliam, but they hired from other states, other parts of the India.
No, in my tenure, I promise you, whatever maximum local people, we have to help them to get an employment. For that, we will give top. In my tenure. It's silent enough.